And now the taste test. My Fiesta Bowl breakfast, semi-homemade, Jimmy Dean's breakfast scramble kit. Oh, Keto Granny's way, of course. So let's taste it. It has some sausage, some cheddar cheese. It has some guacamole, and it has some pico del. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, here's the first bite for you. Look at that. Whoa, let's taste it. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. I could taste the butter, the fat that's in it, the avocado is an accent, the pico de mayo, or however you say it, and is a compliment to the presentation of it. It is excellent. A power breakfast, a power lunch, a stable blood sugar, diabetic friendly, easy, convenient, semi-homemade, microwavable, or stovetop. This is good. Hold on, you guys. You got to try this. And this is Keto Granny's Way. It's Keto Granny's Way Fiesta Bowl. And it tastes so good. We also have the Fiesta burrito. Okay? And it's made with an egg white wrap. Okay? This again is fat burning, filling, tasty, delicious, and it's full of goodness. Diabetic friendly, heart friendly. Let's taste it and see. Look, you can have the first bite. Ooh, better than Taco Bell burritos, breakfast burrito, and McDonald's, because they don't fill it up with nothing. And this is filled with love. Let's taste that. Mmm. 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 I had never had an egg wrap. Egg white egg wrap. That is fabulous. I'm going to link the company of this egg white wrap at the end of the video. But this egg white wrap, this Fiesta burrito is scrumptious. And that salsa that's on it, oh, that just brings everything out. Let's take another bite. Mmm. 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 You guys, you have to try this recipe. It will be linked in the description. If you're looking for a fat-burning, quick, easy, convenient, heart-healthy, diabetic-friendly, low-carb alternative for a breakfast, a brunch, a dinner, or even a snack, come on over to Keto Granny's Way. I can recreate any kind of recipe and make it fat-burning. Y'all come on back to fat. Take it off your hips and put it back on your lips. Keto Granny's Way. Let me leave this with you. Knowledge is only powerful when you apply it. And change will only happen when changes happen. Until next time. Be a little selfish. Self-love yourself. And take care of the ones that you love. Until next time, Keto Granny's Way. See ya!